Hello students, welcome back to Prakash CBSE. Today we will discuss exercise 13.1, question number 7, 8 and 9. So today we are going to complete this exercise. Let's get into the question number 7. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by conical top. So a tent is in the form of cylinder and top one conical part as this. So let's draw one cylinder and the top one cone. So this is the tent. Okay, now let's see the given data. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively. See, the height and diameter of the cylindrical part only is given. So first one only represents height. So height is equal to 2.1 it's a meter, and diameter is given. This is the diameter. D is given how much? 4 meter. Then the radius will be 4 by 2. If you divide, you will get 2 meter is the radius. Okay, now find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. So we have to find out the area of the canvas used for making this tent. Also find the cost of canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. First we have to calculate how much area it takes, then we can calculate the amount. Okay, so first let's calculate the area, surface area. So let's take the, see here, when you take this diameter, the diameter of the cylinder and diameter of the cone will be same only. And one more thing is given in the question, slant height of the top. This is the slant height. You can see this line, slant height L is given how much? 2.8 meter. So let's write all the given data here. Slant height L is equal to given 2.8 meter, and height of the cylinder H is given 2.1 meter, and diameter D is given 4 meter. Then the radius will be 2 meter. So let's find out first surface area of the tent, then we can calculate the amount. So surface area of the tent equal to, we have two parts here. Part 1 is cylinder. So curved surface area of cylinder, CSA of cylindrical part plus CSA curved surface area of conical part. Okay, so we know curved surface area of cylinder formula 2 pi RH, and curved surface area of cone formula pi r L. Let's take pi common outside, then remaining you have your 2. See, radius also same only, so let's take one radius also common outside. Then inside you have there 2h plus pi r you took outside, only L will be there. So pi value 22 by 7 into r radius we have 2 into 2 into h height we have 2.1 plus L slant height we have 2.8. Now let's multiply this. You will get 44 by 7 into, if you multiply this you will get 4.2 plus 2.8. Then 44 by 7 into, if you add this you will get 7. 7 gets cancelled, so remaining you have 44 meter square is the surface area. Now see here, we find the area of the canvas used. So we found the area of the canvases, we need 44 meter square, and we have to calculate the amount. Now let's calculate the amount. It's given that per meter square, per means 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter square cost is how much? 500. 1 meter square 500 means, then 44 meter how much? Then 44 meter square equal to how much? Just multiply 500 into 44. If you multiply you will get the total amount. So total amount or total cost equal to, you will get 22,000. Hope that you understand this. Let's move to the question number 8. So here we have the question number 8. From a solid cylinder, okay, there is one solid cylinder. Let's draw one cylinder. Okay, from the solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter. The height is given how much? 2.4 centimeter, and diameter D is given. Diameter D equal to 1.4 centimeter. Then the radius will be 0.7. Okay, and a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter hollowed out. Hollowed out means inside they cut and they removed. Conical part with the same height only and same diameter. So let's take now. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid nearest to centimeter square. See, in the cylinder part, if the conical part is taken out, the remaining surface area we have to calculate. So all given data is here only. So we'll apply directly. First, in the cone, this is called the slant height. We have to find out slant height using slant height formula. So slant height formula we have h square plus r square root of, sorry. So h we have there 2.4 square plus r radius 0.7 square. So square root of 2.4, you will get 576, which means 5.76. This square value will get 0.49. If you add, you will get 6.25. So square root of 625 value 25. Then L value will get 2.5 centimeter is the slant height. Now we can calculate the remaining surface area. So surface area, we can say remaining surface area equal to, see, around 1 will be there, so that we can take first curved surface area of cylinder. So curved surface area of cylinder plus inside that conical part is taken out, right? So that we can take curved surface area of cone plus this bottom, it will be there. So the bottom of the shape in the cylinder is circle shape. So we can take area of circle. Area of circle. So all these three formula we have to apply. Curved surface area of cylinder formula 2 pi RH, and curved surface area of cone pi RL, plus area of circle formula pi r square. See, from this what we can take common outside here. Radius will be same only, so we can take pi and radius are outside. Then your 2h plus L plus 1 r we have taken out and 1 r will be there. Now apply pi value 22/7 into r radius we have 0.7 into 2 into h value 2.4 plus L slant height we got 2.5 plus again r radius 0.7. Just cancel 7 1 just 7. So 22 into 0.1 into multiply this plus add this 2, then you will get 3.2. Now 22 into 0.1 into add this, will get 8. Now multiply all these three, then you will get 17.60 centimeter square is the remaining surface area of the solid. Okay, hope that you understand. Let's move to the last question, question number 9. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. So there is one solid cylinder. In that solid cylinder, scooping out means they are removing out in both each side of hemisphere shapes. See, one solid cylinder is there. In this solid cylinder, they are removing, scooping out means they are removing the hemisphere shapes from each end. From here one hemisphere, from here one more hemisphere. They are just removing. Scooping out means they are cutting into hemisphere shape and they are taking out. If the height of the cylinder is 10, so height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and its base of radius, so radius directly given 3.5 centimeter. Then find the total surface area of the remaining article. So let's apply. Total surface area of remaining article equal to, we have to take first curved surface area of cylindrical part plus here one semicircle and top one semicircle. So 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere, sorry, not circle, hemisphere. Okay, now let's apply curved surface area of cylinder formula. 2 pi RH plus 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere formula, 2 pi r square. So 2 pi RH plus, just multiply, then you will get 4 pi r square. Take 2 pi r common outside. If you take 2 pi r common outside, here remaining h, here 1 2 will be there and 1 r will be there. Okay, then now apply 2 into 22 by 7, or radius how much, 3.5 into h height 10, 2 into radius 3.5. now cancel this, you will get 0.5. so 22 into 2 into 0.5 will get 1.0 or 1. Then 10 plus 7, if you multiply this, 7.0, which is equal to 7. So 22 into 17. Now multiply 17 into 22. So 374 centimeter square is the total surface area of the remaining article. Hope that you understand all these 3 questions. If any doubt, please put it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Till now, if you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe. And if you understand all these questions, please put your like. Okay, thank you.